Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Xi step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Xi, the West. For example, 西方 西方 the West. Western countries. Now check this sentence. I heard in the Western countries, almost everyone likes coffee. I heard in the Western countries, almost everyone likes coffee. Likes coffee.我听说在西方国家，几乎每个人都喜欢咖啡。I heard. 我听说。在西方国家，几乎每个人都喜欢咖啡。咖啡 coffee. 我听说 I heard. 在西方国家 Western countries. Almost everyone, 几乎每个人，每个人都喜欢咖啡。I heard in the Western countries, almost everyone likes coffee. 我听说在西方国家，几乎每个人都喜欢咖啡。My casual handwriting on 西。西 the West, 西方 the West, Western countries. I heard in the Western countries, almost everyone likes coffee. 我听说在西方国家，几乎每个人都喜欢咖啡。西 Please comment any sentence with the character 西. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.